Just a little video clip here specifically for someone commenting on my video of air compressors. Lau LIGa, L-A-U-L-I-G-A, hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly, and you're wanting to know how the capacitors were wired. Now, it's the first time I've actually taken the back off this. Electricity is not my strong suit at all, but just hopefully you'll be able to see what's what here. You've got the earth wire, which is earthed to the body of the compressor inside there, and then you've got the live and neutral going into. So what have we got here? We've got the live, where my finger is, into a crimp connector going to, let's try and trace this for you. So we've got a wire coming from that to the central position of the three-way switch. The top position of the switch is going to a crimp connector and to the white wire coming out from the compressor. The bottom is going to a crimp connector to the black wire coming out of the compressor here. The green wire is crimped to the green wire coming out of the compressor is crimped to two wires from the capacitors, one on this side and one on the opposite side. And then the blue wire likewise, which has the neutral from the power lead going in, the blue wire from the compressor, and then it has the opposite two wires of the capacitor, both being opposite sides. Hopefully that tells you what you need to know and covers what you need. Hopefully this video helps you, and if you need anything else, give me a shout. Thanks.